दक्षिण भारत को 5-5 ट्रेनों की सौगात। केरल और तमिलनाडु की बात करें तो यहाँ किस तरीके की हलचल है, आइए सीधा बात करते हैं यहाँ पर जो लोग मौजूद हैं। क्या नाम है आपका?
ज्योति अरसुए डिस्ट्रिक्ट महिला मोर्चा सेंट्रल सेक्रेटरी एम
जब जब
पार्टी में काम करता है बीजेपी में।
अच्छा, जब तमिलनाडु की बात होती है और खास तौर पर ट्रेन की अगर हम बात करें तो कितना बड़ा असर आएगा इसका?
बहुत खुशी है हमको। मोदी जी ने सब कुछ हमका सब कुछ दे दिया। एक ही ट्रेन नहीं है, 4 और 5 ट्रेन है और टुडे त्रिची में है। अभी त्रिची में है मोदी जी है। हमका एक ही ट्रेन नहीं है, सब कुछ के डेवलपमेंट है ना। डेवलपमेंट कमेटी मेंबर है इसमें पोतनूर स्टेशन के। डेवलपमेंट फंड 30 करोड़ है, फंड अलॉट कर दिया। सब कुछ डेवलपमेंट हो गया इसके। पैसेंजर के सीटिंग के लिए आज प्लेस, पार्किंग प्लेस सब कुछ डेवलप हो गया।
यानी स्टेशन की अगर हम बात करें तो अच्छा डेवलपमेंट चल रहा है।
अच्छा डेवलपमेंट से मैं देखता है 1 or 2 months से आई एम कमिंग एंड देखता है। अच्छा काम करता है उस
यहाँ पर जब हम ट्रेन की बात करते हैं और खास तौर पर ट्रेन के जरिए जो राजनीति हो रही है, इसको लेकर क्या कहेंगे?
No, actually, this is a station during the British period. This is the main station, not the station which is there in Coimbatore. That is now it is the main station. But the Poshnur station was the main station. It has got a lot of land as well as there's so many development work can be carried out here. Now Modi ji is giving more importance as far as the railways is concerned to Tamil Nadu, because a lot of people are utilizing the public transport system, train as a public transport system. Apart from that, there are a lot of people from north as well as within Tamil Nadu also people are coming for work, tourism, medicine, education, in so many activities. So whatever the facilities, whatever the funds allocated by the central government of India under the leadership of Modi ji is more useful. Whenever he is coming to Tamil Nadu, he is giving not less than 1,500 crores development works. Even today also, Modi ji has announced for 1,536 crores worth railway projects. Apart from that, only the Irugur Pothanur double lining itself he has given 163 crores of rupees. So no doubt that this Pothanur station, once it gets developed, it will be the hub for the southern, that is southern Coimbatore. So 1/3 of the people are people of Coimbatore is living in southern part. It is next south side of Pothanur, so that it will be more convenient as well as more helpful for the people to make their own journeys, and one way it will develop the revenue of the railway also. So
रेवेन्यू भी आएगा और साथ ही साथ लोगों को सुविधा भी बढ़ेगी। अच्छा, जो एक सवाल खड़ा होता है बार बार, इलेक्शन आया और ट्रेनें आ गईं, क्या कहेंगे, इसका क्या जवाब है?
ऐसा नहीं है,
ऐसा
ऐसा नहीं है. Modi ji is not giving now since because of the election. He is giving importance right from 2014, because 2014 was the first time a government, once it come into the power, immediately he cannot concentrate each and everywhere. This is the third time Modi has taken charge as a prime minister. It is one by one. It was Uttar Pradesh are developed like anything, and Mumbai also bullet trains to Gujarat. So many things has happened, and slowly one by one. Then now Tamil Nadu is also got more importance, and one by only one budget they cannot allocate money, no. So it is coming one by one. Then now they are giving a lot of trains, lot of development works. Even the railway stations are getting developed like anything, escalators, restrooms, and rooms for taking the staying. So many activities, even automatic ticketing.
चीज बताइए, जब इतना ढेर सारी चीजें दी जा रही हैं तो क्या लगता है तमिलनाडु में वोटर्स की तरफ कोई इसका असर पड़ेगा?
You see, it is a 72 years story. You cannot change in overnight, because this Dravidian people and Congress people, no, they have kept something in the minds of Tamil people. So now, you know, the Indian population is around 55% are youngsters, because now only that is eroding from their mount. This is wrong. Whatever these people, Dravidian people are telling, this is wrong. So we have to follow our culture, we have to follow our family ethics, so many things are there. Then they know about the Modi ji also, what is happening here and there. That's, as already told you, there was a time Americans don't want Prime Minister Modi ji to step into their country. Now what is the scenario? Every day you come Modi ji, please come. Not only in America, throughout India people are calling. Modi ji. So then we, in almost about 60-65 countries, without any visa, Indians can go and come. So the India's name, pride in the world has got up like anything. So this is a time Modi ji, Tamil Nadu, definitely he will come. The alliance is also very good. He is coming then and there, giving more lot of development schemes and people welfare scheme, everything. So no doubt this time definitely the NDA alliance will come to power. No doubt at all.
क्या नाम है आपका?
I am BT Arasu. BT Arasu. I am district president, government licensing wing, Coimbatore South, PJP. I am not telling. I am telling all this thing not because of the party man. One of the public, I am giving my views because I am born and brought up in Coimbatore.
यहाँ पर आप समझिए कहीं ना कहीं डेवलपमेंट को लेकर पूरे देश भर में एक चाहत है और वो चाहत ये सरकार पूरी कर रही है। और यहाँ पर जब हम रेलवे की बात करते हैं तो रेलवे का चेहरा, मैं लगातार आपको बता रहा हूँ, चेहरा लगातार बदल रहा है। वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन हो, वंदे भारत की जो स्लीपर ट्रेन हो, साथ ही साथ ये ढेर सारी ट्रेनें, जैसे अगर हम पिछले कुछ सालों की बात करें तो अमृत भारत ट्रेन का एक नया विस्तार हो रहा है। सिद्धार्थ, न्यूज स्टेशन, पुतनूर, तमिलनाडु।